In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view blocked accounts on X, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If you've ever blocked someone and later wanted to double-check your blocked list, manage your privacy settings, or unblock an account, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process clearly and easily. This is especially useful if you've blocked multiple accounts over time and want to review them all in one place. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open X and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to check. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll see a section called More. Click on More to open additional options. After that, a pop-out menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of your account controls, privacy tools, and safety settings. On the next screen, click Privacy and Safety. This section contains all the important options related to your account visibility, content interaction, and security preferences. Once you're inside Privacy and Safety, look for Mute and Block and click it. This area is specifically designed to help you manage accounts you've muted or blocked, along with other interaction controls. Now click Blocked Accounts. This will open your full list of blocked accounts, so you can review every account you've blocked on X. From here, you can scroll through the list, check specific accounts, and if needed, choose to unblock someone later. It's a very simple process, but knowing exactly where this setting is can save you time when managing your account. If you were looking for a way to see who you've blocked on X, that's all there is to it. You just go to More, then Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and Safety, then Mute and Block, and finally Blocked Accounts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick X and Twitter how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.